Hello, Zenbees. So it's a wrap of our 31 Days of Zen, the October project, Magical Stars. First thing first, I want to congratulate you on completing 31 Days of Zen October project. It's been an amazing journey of creating, learning, and sharing your insights and learnings in our Zenbees group. So I want to talk about a couple of things and kind of give a nice finishing touch to this project that we started a month ago. So first thing, I want you all to make a collage of all your projects, all the 31 days artworks that you've created, and share it in the Zenbees group. That kind of culminates the whole thing. So when you share it in the group, we all get to see and appreciate and learn from each other, right? So that's one of the important parts of Zentangle. So please do share them in our Zenbees Facebook group. Now, if you're sharing it elsewhere on social media, then please do use the hashtag magical stars and tag me, or at least use the hashtag magical stars so we can find you and enjoy your creations. Then number two is oh yeah. Please leave a comment and share your experience about this journey. It's really important for me to know how this journey has been, how this experience has been for you. So please do leave a comment either right under this video or on the Zenbees group, or if you're sharing it anywhere else, then please do tag me at Sanya Mane so I get to see all of that. So that was number two. Now number three is this is a tough task. You know, showing up every single day for 31 days is not an easy job. So if you have not been able to complete, then I would say don't get overwhelmed or intimidated by others. I mean, you work at your own pace, but keep sharing your creations on the group, on our Facebook group Zenvi. So as you finish a tile, keep sharing it. It inspires even us who have completed it, and who knows, you might inspire somebody else to get started. So please do share your creations and don't worry, go at your own pace. Now, number three. Okay, so this project from start to finish, every single project requires planning, recording, editing, and uploading. So there are a lot of parts, moving parts to this, and it's a tough task. It's extremely tough task to show up every single day for 31 days. So I'm glad I could finish this successfully. I'm like super thrilled. This was a big thing. And add in a whole bunch of tech issues that I had to go through. But it also was draining. So I'm glad that this is over and I need a break. So I'm going to take a short break from YouTube. Um, I will be sharing, showing up, but it's not going to be like a series that we've been doing in the past. So we will take a little break for a couple of months, and then I need that time to rest, recoup, and get inspired. So all I want you to do is keep looking out for other videos that's there in the channel. There are tons of videos, so it's not that you won't have anything to work on. There are tons of videos, so do check them out. Now, the fourth thing that I wanted to talk about is, if you've enjoyed this project and if you enjoyed working with me and if you enjoy my style of teaching and creating, then I have an awesome course that is currently open. This is called Trust, and this is a 12-week course. So if you are someone who wants to dive deeper and want to learn the foundations of Zentangle, how to create on a black color tile or a tan tile or a gray tile, how to do shading on these different surfaces, and how to add colors on these backgrounds, then please do join this course. This is a wonderful 12-week project that I have designed based on my experience of working with students over a decade now. So this is right now open for enrollment. All you have to do is log on to www.sanyamanestudio.com/trust to find all the details and see if it's a right fit for you and sign up if it is. And I will see you on the other side. Okay, so now go and get that collage ready and share it in our Facebook group. Okay, then I will see you soon. Namaste.